coincide with And Beyond's milestone 25th birthday, we've spent a year crafting an African safari of a lifetime by private jet. I invite you to join us on this incredible adventure that celebrates the best that Africa has to offer. Truly the ultimate privately guided safari experience, this exclusive private jet expedition caters for only 12 guests. It combines And Beyond's unique lodges and reserves across East and Southern Africa with a selection of unmissable destinations and experiences within the areas in which we operate. We will not only expose you to the best wildlife experiences in the world, but we'll also introduce you to Africa's sculptors and influencers, its politicians, its groundbreaking conservationists, its filmmakers, and its enchanting people. Our substantial footprint of safari lodges and reserves, which equate to 9 million acres of wildlife ecosystems under our custodianship, as well as the expertise found in our private specialist guides, ground logistics teams, and over 2,000 And Beyonders, means we've been able to craft a journey unlike any other. We will use intimate, exclusive private jets and helicopters and couple them with our touring expertise to make this journey as direct and seamless as possible. And Beyond will also take you behind the scenes on our private reserves and immerse you in our all-important conservation and community development work. I look forward to joining you as we explore Africa and beyond by private jet.